The gut microbiome, the community of microorganisms living in the digestive tracts, plays a crucial role in overall health, influencing digestion, immunity, and even mood. If you're interested in learning more about what makes a healthy gut microbiome or ways to improve it, here are a few key points. 1. Diversity. A diverse microbiome is generally considered healthier. It can be supported by consuming a wide variety of foods, particularly fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fermented foods. 2. Prebiotics and probiotics. Prebiotics, fiber-rich foods, feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut, while probiotics like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut add more beneficial bacteria to your system. 3. Lifestyle factors. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management also positively affect gut health. 4. Avoiding harmful substances, limiting the intake of antibiotics unless prescribed, and reducing consumption of highly processed foods and artificial sweeteners can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. If you have specific metrics or scientific data on your gut microbiome, such as results from a microbiome test that can provide more concrete insights into its health,